Aerowerks upracking system handles the highest volume with ease. Unlike a one-level system, the multi-dimensional design allows the operators to use vertical space for increased efficiency. Operators scrape, stack, and rack ware on multiple levels at the breakdown area. A hands-free automatic plate rinse minimizes the time your operators spend scraping the dishes. Cup and glass racks are uploaded onto a power roller conveyor, then transferred to an inclined gravity roller conveyor for hands-free delivery and accumulation at the load end of the ware washer. Dishware is stacked on a slat belt conveyor. A hip-activated switch allows the operator to advance the wares as needed for maximum accumulation to the load end of the ware washer as well. A limit switch then automatically shuts off the belt line when the dishware arrives. This results in effective and easy loading of your ware washer because of consistent accumulation of wares, rather than random delivery. The lift gate on the upracking system also gives the operator maximum control. Raised, racks accumulate for later loading, allowing the stacked platewares to be loaded. Lowered, glass and cup racks automatically load into the ware washer. Because the system allows ware to be accumulated and held until it is time to activate the ware washer, your ware washer will operate only when needed. This efficient loading will save you water, chemicals, and energy, and reduce machine wear and tear. And if all that wasn't enough, the unloading of the wares is much more organized as well.